In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to game file location on Epic Games Launcher. If you ever need to access the installation folder for one of your games, the Epic Games Launcher provides a quick way to open it. This can be useful if you're looking for game files, checking where a game is stored, creating a backup, or following troubleshooting instructions that require you to open the game's installation directory. The process is very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. To get started, launch the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once you're on the main screen, click on the Library section. This is where all of the games associated with your Epic Games account are displayed. If you have several games in your library, take a moment to locate the one whose installation folder you want to open. To make sure the game is installed on your computer, look just below the game's title. If you see a launch button, that means the game is already installed and its files are available on your computer. This is the game you'll be able to open the installation folder for. If the launch button isn't available, you'll first need to have the game installed before its file location can be accessed. Once you've found the installed game, click the three-dot menu located next to the game's title. This opens a menu containing several management options for that specific game. Carefully look through the available options until you see the folder icon located next to the uninstall option. Click the folder icon, and the Epic Games Launcher will automatically open File Explorer and take you directly to the game's installation folder. You can now browse through the game's files and folders without having to manually search your computer for the installation directory. While you're viewing the folder, be careful not to delete or modify any files unless you're following trusted instructions or you know exactly what you're doing. Many of the files inside the game folder are essential for the game to run properly, and making unintended changes could cause the game to stop working correctly. Once you've finished viewing or managing the files you needed, you can simply close File Explorer and return to the Epic Games Launcher. Anytime you need to access the same game's installation folder again, you can repeat these same steps. And that's all there is to opening a game's file location in the Epic Games Launcher. It's a quick and convenient feature that makes accessing your installed game files much easier whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,